With the continued delay to the renovation work to the track at GC Foster College, there is a potential fallout for the athletes that train at the institution, which would impact their preparation for the national championships in 2 months' time. Denise Walters has this TVJ Sports follow-up.
The renovation exercise has been in limbo for months, and as a result, the athletics calendar with meets scheduled for the GC Foster College suffered some setbacks earlier this year. Meets were cancelled only to be reinstated or shifted to another venue, while others like the Western Relays were cancelled outright. Athletics Director at GC Foster College, Chester McCarthy, says the disruption is not just to the schedule of activities, but training for athletes.
It is placed in Jamaican track and field in a precarious position. It has since January, as the entire Jamaica would have been aware. And we're just putting best foot forward to get it out of the way. We're also hopeful that other entities within the country will come to our assistance in terms of our GC Foster College athletes who are going to be training for national trials, and our Sprint Tech team, will be able to get, some kind of assistance in terms of where they train while the retopping process is taking place.
At present, only a section of the track is used for training.
Once the work reach a certain stage, the college team or our club team cannot come onto the surface at all. Currently, we are able to do a little bit of training on sections of the track where no cutting has actually been done. And that's a conversation we had to have internally with the reggae contractor to see how they cut, when they cut.
It will cost approximately $80 million to do the work needed to get the track in line with World Athletics certification standard. And with there being cost overruns due to the delay in clearing the material at the wharf, the project is expected to go over budget. McCarthy, who is hoping they will get help to offset some of the costs, says the college is integral to the growth and development of the sport in Jamaica.
We are in fact a government entity. We are not doing this thing by ourselves, or it is not for our purposes alone. You understand? The GC Foster College has a mandate to assist and help to grow the sport. All sport, but in this particular case, track and field.
Meanwhile, a team from reggae contracted to do the work is back in the island, having left due to the lengthy delay, as 2 containers with some of the material needed for the work are now on site.
So I want to make it absolutely clear that the works that will be done is totally under contract to reggae and is in no shape or form left up to the discretion of the GC Foster College administration or any member staff as to how the work proceeds. They'll be cutting and patching areas and then doing a retopping, leveling and all of that of the surface. So the surface will look renewed, but nothing beyond the rubber surface.
The track at GC Foster College was first installed 28 years ago and relayed 11 years ago. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.